What's the worst announcement your school ever made? I'm sitting in chemistry, totally spacing out about the test next period, when Mrs. Rodriguez suddenly stops mid-sentence about atomic bonds or whatever. She's staring at her phone. His voice sounds weird, like he's been crying. All students report to homeroom immediately. Teachers, please check your emergency email protocol now. Everyone's looking around, confused. It's Wednesday, second period. Nothing ever happens on Wednesday. My friend Jake whispers, bomb threat, but Mrs. Rodriguez is already ushering us out. I get to homeroom and Mr. Davis looks like he's about to throw up. His hands are shaking as he reads something on his computer screen. He won't make eye contact with any of us. Everyone pack your belongings. School is dismissed for the remainder of the day and tomorrow. What? Why? Melissa asks. I can't just go home. Your parents are being contacted. Walking outside, I count 8 police cars in the parking lot. There's also this big white van that says County Health Department and people in hazmat suits walking toward the building. I immediately text my mom.